Welcome to the How to Add or Change Services tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to add or change services on your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. How to add services, and 2. How to change services. Topic 1. How to add services. Log into your website's backend. Now, you'll see the dashboard. Navigate to the Services menu tab on the left side of the page and click it. This will open the Services page where you can add a new service. To add a new service, click the Add New button at the top of the page. Enter in the new service title. On the right side of the page, you will see a box with related providers. Enter in each of your provider names and select them when they pop up in the results. Once you have finished adding your providers to the service, click on Update to save these changes. Topic 2. How to change services. Make sure you're logged into your website's backend and navigate to the Services menu tab. Here you'll see all the existing services. To edit an existing service, hover over the service title and click Edit. This will open the existing service page. Edit the service title. On the right side of the page, you'll see a box with the related providers for this service. Enter in each of your provider names and select them when they pop up in the results. Once you have finished adding your providers to the service, click on Update to save these changes. You've now learned how to add or change services.